massive well done to all of you at the moment in lockdown, doing all your work from home, most of you. It's absolutely incredible what you are managing to achieve in languages. I am absolutely blown away by the effort that you're making and the resilience that you're showing to be able to succeed under such circumstances. Looking forward to having you all back in school when we can. Take care.
Hi everyone, just a little message for all the students in my classes. Keep up the great work. It's amazing to see all the work you're doing, and who knows where I'll be next week.
Good morning, students. I'd just like to congratulate all those that have got involved in some of the physical activities and challenges that we've set from the PE department. So well done, keep that up. And I'd also like to make a special mention to the Year 11 GCSE PE students who've been working hard on their NEA all the way through January, and that's come to a close. So very well done to you guys. Enjoy your last week.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Blakely here, and I wanted to share with you some of the fantastic work that we've received in technology. So without further ado, I will also now reveal the results of the bake-off competition that we had before Christmas. So very exciting. So for the winner of the Year 7 bake-off competition, it was Anya Bala. Well done, Anya. A fantastic snowman blizzard cake from you. 4 tiers, all different colours of icing, some superb piping work there as well. That's fantastic. Well done. Year 8, the winner was Miriam Robinson with her snowman and snow dog cake. Fantastic, and loads of fondant modelling there, which is tricky. Well done, Miriam. And for Year 9, it was Kitty Megget with some fantastic piping work there on her cake. So well done, Kitty. And we do have one final winner overall, and that was Ellie Hinton from Year 8, who did this gorgeous reindeer cake. And well done to everyone who entered, and especially well done to those who won prizes. Please do come and get in contact with myself and Mrs. Williams. Do email us, because we've got prizes for all the winners. And that just leaves me to say, well done. Keep working hard. Congratulations to those that we saw your work in the video. You are doing a great job, and we can't wait to see you in school soon. Well done.